Have you ever wondered why people seem to want what they can't have? Why does the unavailable person suddenly become 10 times more attractive? Or why do luxury brands purposely make their products limited edition? The answer lies in a powerful psychological weapon: scarcity attraction. This isn't just a dating hack. It's a primal psychological trigger rooted deep in our survival instincts. When used correctly, it can make anyone think about you constantly, crave your presence, and even become obsessed. Let's unlock the mind. The Scarcity Principle. Why less is always more. Imagine walking into a store and seeing a sign that says, "Only 2 left in stock." What happens? Your heart races. You feel the urge to grab it before someone else does. This is scarcity psychology at work. When something is limited, our brain interprets it as more valuable. This goes back to our primal wiring, where rare resources meant survival. Whether it's food, mates, or social opportunities, the rarer something is, the more desirable it becomes. This principle, when applied to attraction, changes the entire game. If you're always available, constantly texting first, and eager to please, your perceived value drops. But the moment you become selective, pull back a little, or create space, curiosity and desire spike. The illusion of demand. Scarcity doesn't work in a vacuum. People want what others want. Let's say you're at a party and you notice everyone gravitating toward one person in the room. Even if you didn't initially find them attractive, your brain starts to wonder, what's so special about them? This is the illusion of demand. Social proof fuels scarcity. When people perceive you as high value, desired by others, and in demand, they feel compelled to compete for your attention. That's why you see influencers or celebrities leveraging this all the time. They appear busy, hard to reach, constantly surrounded by admirers, and that builds a sense of urgency to connect with them. Controlled absence. Here's a hard truth: absence builds respect. When you're too available, people take you for granted. But when you disappear at just the right moment, you create a void. That void triggers obsession. Controlled absence is about being intentional with your time and presence. Doesn't mean ghosting or playing games. It means understanding the value of not being around all the time. Think of your attention like a currency. If you give it away freely, it loses value. When it's rare, it becomes priceless. The next time you feel tempted to double text or over-explain your silence, remember, space makes the heart grow obsessed, not just fonder. Creating mystery. Do you remember the last time a person intrigued you so much you couldn't stop thinking about them? Chances are, they didn't reveal everything at once. Mystery triggers the brain to seek closure. When we don't have the full picture, our mind fills in the blanks, usually with idealized versions of reality. That's why mysterious people seem more attractive. They're not necessarily better, they just leave room for curiosity. Don't be an open book. Share your wins, your struggles, your stories, but don't reveal everything. Let people earn pieces of your story. With every layer they uncover, they'll feel more connected, more invested, and more obsessed. Self-control and delayed gratification. Practicing self-control, especially in intimate or emotional settings, can supercharge your value. When you show that you're not ruled by lust, emotion, or the need for attention, you communicate one powerful message: I am in control of myself. This trait is rare. Most people react impulsively. When you operate from intention and discipline, you naturally stand out. And when you delay gratification, whether it's through touch, communication, or intimacy, you amplify the anticipation, which in turn amplifies the obsession. Scarcity in communication. Sometimes silence is your loudest message. Over-communication, especially in early relationships or networking, can kill curiosity. Instead of over-explaining yourself or flooding someone with validation, take the opposite approach. Use fewer words. Be deliberate in tone and timing. Leave texts unanswered for a while. End conversations first. These aren't manipulative tactics. They're ways to control the narrative. You're not being cold, you're being intentional. Scarcity plus value equals obsession formula. You can't fake scarcity and expect results. If you want people to become obsessed, you need to back your scarcity with value. Here's the formula. Scarcity x value equals obsession. If you make yourself less available and you're high value, intelligent, emotionally strong, physically confident, and purpose-driven, you become irresistible. People don't just want you, they need to earn you. Avoiding the scarcity trap. There's a fine line between being high value and being arrogant or distant. Too much scarcity can backfire. If people don't feel appreciated or acknowledged, they won't stick around. Remember, this isn't about playing hard to get. It's about being worth the chase. Always give just enough to keep the connection alive. Balance mystery with moments of vulnerability. Balance absence with presence. Real-life applications. This principle doesn't just apply to dating. In business, the most sought-after consultants or entrepreneurs limit their availability, creating a waiting list or high-ticket offers. In friendships, those who set boundaries and prioritize themselves often command more respect. In leadership, calm, reserved voice often carries more weight than the loud, desperate one. Scarcity attraction is a universal tool. The more you cultivate value and pair it with intentional presence, the more obsessed people become with your energy, your mindset, your message. Final thoughts. You can walk through life begging for attention, chasing validation, and wondering why people overlook you. Or you can flip the script. You can become the person who doesn't chase because you attract, who doesn't need attention because your energy demands it, who isn't easily available because your value is undeniable. Start today. Practice strategic silence. Create curiosity. Level up your inner value and watch as people begin to orbit around your presence. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more advanced psychology tactics and self-mastery tools. Stay aware. Stay powerful. See you in the next one.